Hi friends, in this video, we're going to talk about the Green Card Lottery, otherwise known as the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program. For those of you who are looking to immigrate to the US or make the US your home, the Green Card Lottery offers a chance of obtaining lawful permanent residency. This program was established by the US government to diversify the immigrant population, and they do this by granting visas to people from countries that historically has low rates of immigration to the US. Through this program, up to 55,000 diversity visas are made available each year to eligible applicants. But before we get into that, I just want to say thank you to all of you for being here. Thank you for watching this video and for sharing my videos all over the world. I really appreciate what you guys are doing and how you're spreading this good work. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notice of these videos each week. My name is Latoya McBean Pompey, and I'm an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients nationwide and across the globe at McBean Law. Friends, we help immigrants be their best in the U.S. and obtain the freedom that they need to be their best here. Contact us at McBean Law at 888-462-4006 or at McBeanLaw.com. We're here to help you book a consultation so that you can meet with an attorney. So let's get into the most important questions that you probably have about the Green Card Lottery. The most important question, of course, is what is the eligibility criteria for the lottery, right? So to participate in the Green Card Lottery, you have to meet certain eligibility criteria. This includes having a high school diploma or equivalent proof of education or 2 years of work experience within the past 5 years, and this must be in an occupation that requires at least 2 years of work experience and training. You also have to be a native of the country that has low immigration rates to the US. This criteria might change from year to year, so always be sure to check the government's website or contact us at McBean Law for a consultation. I also have a free download, friends, that you can just grab and read more about how the Green Card Lottery works. Download the free guide today, have it at your disposal for when you're ready to do this process. Next, you might be asking, well, what's the application process like for the Green Card Lottery? Well, applications usually open in the fall, and specific dates are announced by the Department of State. You have to submit your application online through the Diversity Visa Program website. Keep this in mind, friends. Each applicant can only submit one entry, and multiple entries will result in your disqualification. So you have to be really careful when you apply. You have to provide accurate information and follow the instructions very carefully, or you risk being disqualified. You also have to be really careful about the deadlines. The government is really strict with deadlines, and if you miss the application deadline, you're disqualified. So you have to keep this in mind. So after the application period closes, they do a computer generated random draw for the winners, and these winners are selected from a pool of eligible entries received. You can check your status through the entry status check available on the Diversity Visa Program website, and you have to make sure to save the confirmation number you got when you applied. You're going to need that number to check your status. Your last question might be, so what happens if you win the Green Card Lottery? You've applied, you were eligible, and you waited anxiously for the results. And then the day comes and you receive a notification on the Diversity Visa Program website that you're one of the lucky winners. But what happens then, right? Well, winners must complete additional steps to additionally obtain their green card. This includes submitting required documents, doing medical exams, and attending interviews at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. You have to make sure you follow the instructions provided by the U.S. Department of State, and you have to comply with all of the requirements. That's how you get a smooth and successful immigration process. So friends, you can see now that the Green Card Lottery is a really good option because it offers this unique opportunity to pursue your dreams of living and working in the US. It's really important to understand the eligibility requirement, the application process, and the next steps for winners. This is how aspiring immigrants can maximize their chances of success in the lottery. It's important to stay informed, be prepared, and we want to help you with that. Contact us at McBean Law again at 462-4006 to discuss how we may be able to help you. You can also contact us at McBeanLaw.com and request to book an appointment with us. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. If you found it interesting, please comment, like, and share. And of course, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video each week. Be sure to also share this with other people and go to our website at McBeanLaw.com to subscribe to our weekly newsletter. We do multiple newsletters every week that you might find really interesting. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks again for watching this video. Download our free guide, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.